Did tunnels in Paris, that wall in Berlin. Did acid in Brooklyn, all without sin. Did rooftops in London, in Munich sometime. Did tram lines and stations, no life without crime. Did trains in the Bronx, tags on a plane. Did murals in Delhi, all without shame. Did lectures in Dublin, got chased by Chinese. Did exhibits down under and in Los Angeles. Did a limo in San Fran, got into some fights. Did toilets in Moscow, always with pride. Did pieces on beaches, panels on trains. Did blow on the ski slopes, arrested by Danes. Did Asian pavements, booze with Japanese. Did Norwegian highways with the greatest of ease. But I always come back to sweet Amsterdam, loyal and faithful, 'cause that's who I am.